Hey, it's Gina with WTI. One of the things I love most about spring and summer is that I get to hop on my rider mower and get out and mow 2 acres of our yard. But I want to make sure that I'm protecting my hearing for the long term, and that's why I always have on a pair of ear protection muffs. And I've been using this set from Fnova for a couple of years. They are so comfortable. I love that I can wear them over my eye protection. I can wear them with my hair up also. I love that they're soft and comfy. They have a lot of cushion, not just on the earmuff portion, but also along the headband. So that is really nice. It's not cutting into my head or irritating my ears, and it just works so well. I love that these are small enough to fit my head because a lot of times earmuffs are just too big, and these are nicely adjustable. This is my pair of go-to ear protection. I got the sky blue pair. I think it's just gorgeous, and they work so well and are so comfortable. I definitely recommend them, and that's my point of view.